Bola nakuha ni JP Belencion. Both teams yet to buy a bucket. Ralph Robin. Just that little space is exactly what he needed to launch and knock down the three. Gumaru. Humihit. Steps inside. Wala. Bola na kay Art de la Cruz. And he will score the first basket for Ilagan Isabela.
Well, I love that Don Gumaro's actually going to his footwork after, putting that ball on the deck, then trying to figure out how to score. Meantime, Ralph Robin is on a roll right now. It's 2 out of 2 from 3.
Found himself finishing his collegiate career with Adamson. Soriano. 3-point shot has been working for Imos. That's their third triple. In fact, all their field goals have come from three, Coach Mike.
Yeah, that they're hitting shots from the outside because prior to this game, they were only shooting, 15% overall in their last 2 games. A scorer that rolls around on the wing.
Mas maliit yung lineup na ito ng Ilagan Isabela. Art de la Cruz operating at the post. Salazar got it back from Basibas. Bola na sundot. 5 seconds left sa kanyang shot clock. Pingoy with a heavy pressure. Ralph Robin and that last second help from Gumaru freed up that 3 from Ralph Robin.
Oh, and yung quick recognition na talagang
They are still playing without Alin Mina, and today, Josh Giab is actually at school busy with his final thesis defense. So on behalf of his team, they're wishing him good luck as well. Back to you guys.
Maraming salamat, Gianna. And 4 triples for a total of 12 markers, outscoring the entire Ilagan Isabela squad. It's a good sign, especially how they struggled from 3. The last time, just 3 out of 29.
Well, if there's one thing that you love naman about itong Ilagan Cowboys in the previous game against Basilan, 80% of their makes have really been assisted. And so there is ball distribution.
In quarter number 1, Sombero, pinalik kay Rios. Balong Marquez, tumikada sa 3. That's their, 6-3 already?
Yeah.
Para sa Imos. Salazar ang nagtitimon. Pantay niya si Pellegrino. Salazar, lumusot, lays it up and in, plus a foul.
Left side, which you see that momentary stunt right there by Kyle Paranada, but that off-legged finish with a little English on that shot by Salazar. Kasi malakas rin naman ang katawan nila ni Balong. Hindi naman basta ganun-ganun lang maitutulak yan.
So malaksak si Alex Abagnot. Lays it off the glass. That goes in, plus a foul.
That ball, allowing everyone to finish on their cuts. And then seeing that left side of the floor for that drive, kissing it off.
The switch by Jordan Rios.
Nice pass.
Celebrico back outside. Gumaru, it's drive for 3. Bullseye. Playing for teams like Pangasinan and EAC in the NCAA.
Well, I think one major change really is the minutes that he has on the floor. He's getting so much floor time now here with Imos, and getting a good share of the offensive activity, taking shots, giving up.
Rivero saves it to Alex Cabagnot. Shot block did not reset. Kawilan rolls that 3 in from the left corner. Lead cut down to 4. Soriano beating everyone to the basket for 2 more points.
Na depensa isa sa mga primary weapons nitong Ilagan na twice nakita natin ang daling nakascore nitong Imos, and that only means that a lot of ball movements. You see this one on the side of Ilagan naman
of moment, whether it's your loved one, whether you're alone. But
I've always
LGR, the official outfitter of the MPBL.
Well, I've always looked at si Ralph Robin as somebody who's quiet, very observant guy. While he was with the Heat Waves, he was there on the bench for the most part, but shooting 23 and 37% in 2 games. But his defensive value is truly so much real, and the offensive usage should also be something that shores up para dito kay Don Gumaru.
Not much resistance on that Evan Soriano layup. Kawilan did not convert underneath. Numbers for the guys in white. Abrigo, bola na tapik. De La Cruz, pitch ahead. Kawilan will make up for it with a basket in transition.
Well, timely effort to come down defensively. Another steal.
Nag-a-apply na ng pressure all the way to the backcourt itong Ilagan Isabela. Tres ni Kawilan. Lista mo na.
Hurried shot for Imos. The defense really clicking. Little high-low right there. A
Ay,
good block.
Yun lang. Soriano.
Point shot attempts nila earlier where they were really waiting for that half-court set. Meantime, this is one of the few ones that they got here in the second quarter. They had everyone more to advantage para dito sa Ilagan. Another missed shot right there by Ralph Robin.
Cowboys running the floor. Nice pass. Equally nice find. Gumaru. Ona. Sinasaan si Gumaru. Bad pass. Marquez. 2-on-1 pass break. Ralph Robin is gone. 16 points by Ralph Robin. Comes away with a steal. Anticipating that Art de la Cruz pass. Salazar. Barreling through the lane, flips it up and in. Counted, plus a foul. Ken Pangilinan alongside Gianna Llanes at courtside.
Oh my goodness, Ken Pangilinan, you are on a roll just like Alex Cabagnot. Another three made this time.
Sila na ang lamang ulit, 46-45.
Tsaka mahalaga yun para sa shooters like him to get a feel of the game. See another interior passing, pretty solid for Ilagan Cowboys this time.
Executions daw talaga will combat that for them. Coach Mike said during the halftime huddle, we're actually playing a pretty beautiful game, but now we just need to make sure to get everybody involved. Back to you guys.
Ramis pairs coming into this game and also what they talked about at the half. Well, for Ilagan Isabela, I got a glimpse of the conversation ongoing during the half. Coach Mike, as you see Salazar.
Early part of the game where, they really couldn't get anything going. Because right around the middle of the first quarter, see another good basket right there, assisted by
Magkakasama sa loob para sa kamilang kupunan.
somehow ramdam. Oh, wow.
Major breakdown on defense.
And that two went to the side of, I think that was JP Belenchon, and eventually leaving up that space underneath.
Rapaini sa ilalim. Halos tumingkayad lang siya doon eh. At nakaban 50. The Cowboys enjoying this 3-point lead. Let's see what they execute off that timeout. Up and under move. A thing of beauty from Joseph Gabaini. Wala nakuha ni JP Kawilan. Libreng-libre si Art de la Cruz. Great awareness by Can Paranada issuing that pass.
Cowboys.
Alex Abagdot, shot clock winding down. Solis is open.
Yeah.
Great patience. Cabagnot finding J-Boy Solis for Marquez. Tries baseline. Nakabueno. Lays it off and in.
They're able to beat that
To Alex Cabagnot. Skip pass to JP Kawilan. Too strong on that three-point attempt. Tapigan ng bola. It ends up with Art de la Cruz who goes for the reverse.
This is a pretty special five. Maybe a 3-and-D player in both Art de la Cruz and J-Boy Solis. Then you have a solid guard that can actually, facilitate as well and score in.
This is the biggest lead for the Cowboys. 10 points. Belenchon for 3. Book it.
And that's definitely something that
Head is Soriano. Nice pass from Salazar. Errol Soriano will finish with a fast break layup. Too strong on that three-point attempt.
a little bit tentative on that shot attempt. Wasn't so sure whether he was going to rise or pass, but this time, Salazar pretty much with that conviction that he's going to
Assist.
I love that they put Alex Cabagnot at the point. Really just gives that level of mobility. Good look by Don.
Will it count? Because the foul happened off the basketball. They will duel between Imos and Ilagan Isabela. An 8-0 run from the Cowboys. Immediately, the answer right back by Belenchon who gives it up to Sombero. Naghanap ng papasahan. Robin, still scoreless in the second half. Nakahanap ng Wang. Takes it and makes it.
They answer back with a 4-0 run.
Ball game.
Pretty formidable five rin para sa Imos. Good scorers in Robin, Salazar, and JP Belenchon.
Knocks that shot off the curl. Alex Cabagnot with 16 points.
JP is a good example of how relationships with respect is most important in the pros. Evident na JP is also assisting him sa mga huddles. Last huddle, Coach Mike told
Pro. And it's a similar trend to the, as you see, Art de la Cruz score in the paint, lamang na ng isang dosena puntos dito sa second half. Umaru off the curl. Nice pass from Alex Cabagnot.
They have
Alex, count it,
yeah.
plus a foul, and that could be the cherry on top for Ilagan Isabela.
That was
Alam mo, sarap ng spaghetti kabot. Gusto ko lang mabanggit sa'yo, Coach Mike.
saan yun?
Before, spaghetti, lumpia.
Parang may birthday, gano'n?
Oh, parang may birthday nga eh.
Oh, wow.
Coco Pingoy on that 8th place finish last season in the North,
Right.
where 3 of those that were ahead of them. Best player of the game brought to you by Sports Plus, the official sports book of the MPBL. Alex Cabagnot, phenomenal in that second half
Oh, yeah.
against Imos. He is our best player. And Coach Mike, just an all-around brilliance for this veteran para dito kay Coach Louie Gonzalez.
I might say the breakthrough game para dito kay Alex Cabagnot. He was abysmal in the very first game, only 4 points on a minus 18 plus minus, then improved in the second game where he had